Ano to, unang-una pa lang, di ba? Meron ba sa ibang administrasyon na ganitong nangyari? Tignan nyo dito. Yung baril ni alias Rod, caliber 38 arms core, owned by a security agency operating in Cebu City. Yung kay alias Nash, 9mm na Glock 17. PNP, firearms issued to policewoman, assigned at Pro 8. These people, these people who are responsible for the guns should be tried. They can be tried, in my opinion. Okay? They can be tried, in my opinion, as principals. Papaliwanag ko sa inyo, bakit principal? Dahan-dahanin natin ha. Okay? Kasi nga mga kabats natin, punta tayo dito kay Lexitary. In my opinion, they should be tried as principals. Principal by indispensable participation. Okay? May nagsabi na ba sa inyo to? Principal by indispensable participation.